So I'm going to take you down a little trip down memory lane. So it was 2017, we were in Eagle Mountain at one of my favorite clients' houses, sitting in their living room in a 6,000 square foot house with a crazy view. And the conversation went like this: Ben, I'm ready to change life. I'd like to lock the door and go, but the concept of moving into a condo, one level living, is impossible when you got this much square footage. That was until we found this place. Welcome to the sub-Penthouse. So it was the beautiful kitchen that sold the place, because we walked in here and my client said, this renovation looks just like my Eagle Mountain house. You've got Liebherr fridge, you've got Miele appliances with the steam oven, Bosch dishwasher. You just can't get better than this. This is an awesome space in your sub-Penthouse. It's really the amazing views that set this amazing property apart. But hey, if you'd like to take a look at the property, we'd love to show it to you. Just reach out to us, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, love to connect with you, info@hardyteam.ca. Have a great day.